Let's be completely honest, finding tape-perfect gear can be stressful, but this might just most satisfying changes everything. Hold on a second. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it performs flawlessly, I was completely sold. It is super practical for everyday use because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it cuts down your daily stress significantly. It's highly practical, compact, and packed WTH thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade today without any delay. Let's be completely honest, finding tape perfect